come to a Morehouse Spelman Homecoming, you should expect a great time, great fellowship, great fun, because the feeling will be all about love, and that's what homecoming is all about.
Homecoming means family. My wife was actually Miss Maroon and White, so for us, this is like really homecoming.
Homecoming is a tradition at Morehouse. It's a tradition like no other. This is such a big deal for us. This is a party.
Woo! When we come to homecoming, we come to share a good time with each other and to eat good food.
Everything we need.
Grab some of them greens, Woody.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Hold on, let me. You gotta let your ancestors talk to you, man. They the ones speaking.
What they say?
They said, that's it right there, Chief.
We gotta get out the onions, you feel me?
For sure. What up?
Kroger's up!
We're right here in the middle of downtown Atlanta for it being their homecoming weekend. It really was exciting working with the professional chefs from Comfort LA and helping them select the items they need.
Family got some Kobe beef sliders. Got these little daddies right here. I consider it a life-changing experience.
You gotta grab one of those, my man. We sell mac and cheese inside. We have our organic chicken on top. We need a little bit of that so people know it's the real deal.
Homecoming is the foundation for everything. You know, it's your stability. It makes sure that you're never bigger than the moment, you know?
Meeting up with old friends, just enjoying the time, the day, just all coming together and say, hey, let's break bread.
I've been up since about 5 o'clock this morning, and just to smell the barbecue already in the air, I knew it was gonna be a great day.
We got some fried catfish, we got some barbecue, we got a whole bunch of cakes.
Baked beans, potato salad, barbecued ribs, barbecued chicken, macaroni and cheese.
Hamburgers, hot dogs.
And fried chicken and collards and banana pudding.
With food, it's something I learned bonding with my father. I've been cooking since I was 5 years old, and now all my friends always rave every time I cook. The main tradition, of course, is the chicken on the grill, and of course, the home-cooked sides that we have under the tent.
I consider myself a connector, and I've always been that type of person who always tried to bring people together, and I know this is one way to do it.
Food essentially is the catalyst of everything.
Food is love.
It is love.
Food is love.
One thing that really speaks to me is just how communal everyone is. They're so inviting, so welcoming, and I think that really embodies the spirit of homecoming.
This is a festival of legacy, a legacy history statement of the African American experience in this Black college.
My name is Chris Evans.
I'm Dana B. and Dana. We started the Homecoming Challenge 3 years ago.
So every year we like to come back and inspire the students that lived in our dorm.
You stuff envelopes with some words of encouragement and also leave a business card so that the students can get in touch with you. Hey everybody, we are here with Kroger. How you doing, Felix?
I'm doing great. Glad to be here.
We are so excited to partner with you because we are getting ready to surprise some students with the Homecoming Challenge. We've got some amazing gift cards to give out. Look at my card, it says treat yourself. Treat yourself. Let's go.
How you doing?
What's going on?
We understand how it is to be away from home. One of our sponsors is Kroger. They put together this awesome bag of goodies.
So there's some groceries in there.
Look at that face, see that?
I got my business card in there. If you ever need advice or mentorship, just reach out and I'm there.
Thank you. Really appreciate it.
Happy homecoming.
Awesome. All right. Have a great semester, man.
We strongly encourage everyone to continue as alums to support your institutions and give, but also just connect directly with the kids. It's, you know, what it's all about.
These are the best friends I've ever made in my life. And I come back every year just to renew those bonds.
There's nothing that brings people together like food and fellowship and fun. And when you come to homecoming, you get all of it.
All I can tell you is, happy homecoming, folks.